I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart.
Good morning, Giants. We are off to the airport. Yes, we're going. Zaza's off to China. We are taking Zaza to China. Actually, we're not taking Zaza to China. We're actually taking her to the... No. I just corrected myself. We're taking Zaza to the airport. She's going to China. So, yeah, using 2 cars because afterwards it's going to be a hectic day, work, but also shooting later on. So, yeah. Let's go, guys. We're late. We're about 7 minutes late from fetching Zaza, but also worried about traffic. So yeah, we're gonna. So, la bazofuna kudlula ngibona njani China ingapha
China khona like
okay
83 to 88 ne
83 to 88 zabo
Sisi so much money.
hello.
Are you the only one buying? Yes. How many bags of chicken eat? 1. How many bags are we allowed to check in? Depends on you. Yeah, I see how love you so much, so much. All the best. Learn as much as you can. At the museum. As much fun as you can. At the museum. Yes. Yeah. Be responsible and be safe. Yeah. Have fun and then
Be inspired.
Shop. But do not be too irresponsible with your shopping. I will. But shop. Yeah. What? You will what? Hi Zaza. Hi Zaza. Hi Zaza. I won't save you. I won't save you.
No matter how sad their story is.
And then macros. It's a frozen pizza. I'll be having frozen pizza the whole month.
Yeah, but shop,
YOLO.
enjoy yourself.
YOLO to some extent.
Yeah, YOLO to a certain extent.
Yes. YOLO with limits.
Your first international trip. Can't believe it. Proud. Okay, go, my child.
Fly with the wind. I've done it so long.
Enjoy, be safe, and yeah.
Dang. 2 weeks. That's long. You guys are having each other now. Honestly, like this is normal. Oh, it's not. It is. Now you're like,
You're like my mom now.
Now I can't, like, if anything happens, I can't, like, drive 2 to 3 hours and, you know, sort it out. No, I'm going to book a child.
I'm not busy. I'm not serious.
Ciao.
Let's see, some. Run, baby, run. Baby, run, run, baby, run. Oh my God, this is it.
Look back. Siza ngapha Siza. Sharp. Kupila wena. You literally became my mom. Okay guys, we're done. Just dropped off Zaza, checked in, and yeah, headed off to the Isuzu offices for another exciting thing that's happening there. So yeah, let's head out. We're at the Isuzu offices now. And we're here to collect our new vehicle. We are so excited. As guys whose content today has been filled with exciting news, exciting things. Zaza's first international trip, and a long one at that. Let's collect our new vehicle. So today is already a beautiful day. And I will show you just some snippets of the car, show you our old car for those that have forgotten our old car or don't know our old car. And yeah, so let's do more.
Yeah. Hey, GG's. What are you whiskey? We are picking up our new baby. This is the car we are picking up. We are saying goodbye to that one. I don't know if you can see it. The obsidian grey. There we go. That one is leaving. And they're giving us a newer vehicle for the year. So we've had the grey one for a year now. Now we're getting this one for another year. It looks stunning. Sexy beast. So yeah, we're ready to shoot with Junior. Junior, say hi to our subscribers. We're shooting with Junior, and yeah, we are ready.
Okay guys, so saying goodbye to our baby. I'm gonna miss it so much. The obsidian grey, guys, this color, like this color, I call Hashem, like this color is the one. But we're saying goodbye to this baby. We're here to collect our new MUX, and Siza's also having heart palpitations. So
I miss her so much, but that one looks so good.
It was.
The color, ooh.
Yeah.
The black finishes make it look.
Make it hotter, yeah, true. So, but yeah, let's operate. This is the exciting news that I was speaking about. We're here to collect our new car, saying goodbye to the old MUX. It's been a year with this baby.
Yeah.
Oh, my very too. Yeah. But yeah.
Guys, I've had such an emotional. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
I've had such an emotional day. Like a lot. No, not emotionally taxing day, right?
Yep.
Number one, obviously I had to drop off my sister at the airport. Sad. So I don't live with my sister, but now she's leaving for 2 weeks, over 2 weeks. So I feel like it's too long, out of the country, out of my reach. But you know, if she's here in South Africa, if anything happens, like I'm just a few hour drives away. Now she's gone. That was emotionally taxing for me. First international trip, Muhamba Yatwa. She's a little baby, or maybe not. Actually, I need to stop treating her like a baby. But yeah, my first international trip I went with my husband, or then boyfriend. Okay. Task number 2, emotionally taxing. Saying goodbye to our grey, obsidian grey MUX and getting the 2024 model, because last year we had last year's model, so they upgraded us. But you know when you are attached to something and you're just like, but you'll get used to this one as well. Then by God's grace, the following year and the following year. But yeah, a very emotionally taxing day. I'm tired, I didn't want. But it's blessings on both sides. Blessings for my sister, blessings for us. Bye.
Ciao, Veg.
Bye.
In conclusion, the relationship between China and South Africa is a dynamic and multifaceted one. It stands as a testament to the potential for international cooperation in addressing common challenges and advancing shared goals. As both nations continue to navigate their roles on the global stage, I leave the program with the zeal to continue the work of my people. This opportunity has assisted in establishing the need for both our countries to further consolidate and advance our ties. Jean.
It's all in our hands, this life of time that's given to us all. It gathers round each night, each morn. We watch it pass and grow. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands.
Hey GG's, so we're out for lunch. We just shot some content, so we're just gonna grab, actually it's brunch. What time is it?
What time it is?
It's currently
Came here to
11.
walk.
You came to walk.
Walk then.
So yeah, so we're just gonna have a quick brunch, and yeah. It's on Cloka. Hope you guys enjoyed some snippets of Zaza's trip in China. Oh, the time. What are you guys having?
I think I will have the cheeseburger. Yes.
Fries or salad?
Can I have it with fries? Salt and pickle calamari. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have. Crispy. The bacon, not crispy.
Okay, are you still serving breakfast? Can I please have your eggs Benedict?
Ham or bacon?
Bacon, please. And can the egg please be very well done? Well done. Yeah.
Do you have any fish dishes?
Fish, do have a line fish is the caprio. It's a white fish, so it's very
Okay. What does it come with?
chips, salad or veggies with a base of spinach.
It's not after 12. It's Almost half past. Yeah. Okay. Zvanu, my old lady, Lana. My old lady, say hi to the GGs.
Hello guys.
How are you?
Morning.
How are you again?
I'm good, and how are you, girl?
I'm good.
Yeah. This is fresh. Shut up.
But yeah, guys, gonna enjoy breakfast, enjoy some chats, some bona later.
She's back.
South Africa, sekufike mina.
Hello, Kelly. How are you, Kelly?
I'm tired, I'm so tired.
Oh,
I'm also like a bit fluish, so
Oh, Zaza.
stand back, stand back.
I love it. Thanks for it. Okay. So which one is open? Will I see?
Yeah, you see, it's on my left. This one is closed. Way too up blue.
Why top blue?
Yeah.
Kajan, why?
They only have blue.
Wouldn't be fun.
This is the one that's open, the one without the.
With you.
Yeah.
Bevulelen to check if it's fine.
Yeah, but often check out which is not the bulo.
Oh. Then they'll understand.
Oh, this is from Blondie. Actually, I had to take it out of the thing.
What
It's like a neck fan.
is it?
Because Siza has
Oh, thank you. This is cool.
leave me alone.
Very good. Perfume. So, ungamniki manje le perfume. Zaza. Uyabona. Ungamniki manje le perfume le. Mnike somebody one on the first. Mnike day, the last day of August. Because we are leaving on the 1st. And
Saturday.
Yeah, on the Saturday. We're leaving on the Sunday. We can't. Yes. Nigga next week Saturday. We leaving on Sunday. We can't go to his event.
Pages we're done. Zaza's off to MPZ. So yeah.
There should be a like this is a parking in entrance exit. There should be a paying what here.
8 point, true.
Like pay stations are located at the MSP one level. So how do I get there? I'm feeling Tamama barricade. Like,
So we're off now. Guys, do you know the way the brain works? It is crazy. Zaza came back with flu. After she gave us hugs, I immediately got a headache. Like that flu headache. Yes, the flu headache. Oh Lord, I can't be getting this headache.
especially as a China.
Yo,
It's gonna zonk. China.
guys, and the thing is, no man. Ngifika man, dubuli fluzen, dubuli med lemon, benelin yalala.
I'm actually feeling a bit headache now. My eyes are watery.
Guys, Siza, this car, Zaza. No man. But yeah, we're off now. Yeah, put my meeting in there, I'm joined again. But I was so long me in the lobby. And my phone going fire because it disconnected twice and that thing is irritating. I can imagine how they are annoyed of having to put me back into the meeting every 2 minutes, even though I wasn't the only one. So many people kept on going in and out. But now usually when I'm in the office or I'm at home having like a proper meeting, when I keep seeing people go in and out, now it disturbs me. So I'm sure they're tired of me. But the meeting is still on. It still has 45 minutes before it ends. So, and given that it started late, it might actually still be an hour till it ends.
Yes, yes.
So yeah. But yeah, we're headed out. I'm gonna let him again. Jovich.
Welcome back, new day. I'm currently on my way to Audi to pick up Mzwandile. Frequently asked question. We still have our cars. We still have our cars. For those who always ask us, ngathi yancinza le ndaba. Ngathi yanincinza ngathi anikwazi ukulala ebusuku nifuna nje ukwazi. We still have our cars, however we are Isuzu drivers, so you will always see us in the scissors. So yeah, but obviously we have to take them to service very seldom, not as often as we used to, because obviously we don't use them as much. So yeah, so one of our Audis is due for service. Yeah, so Zwandi is at Audi. I'm gonna go pick him up and then take him to the office. He will come back with the shuttle. The shuttle will take him back to Audi, but for now, yeah, just because he needs to get there early, and shuttles usually take very long. Shuttles, the service, they take so long. So he asked me to fetch him from service, take him to the office, and then yeah, they can fetch him from the office much later on. So yeah, let us go and pick him up quickly. I hope not, right, guys. Right. How many times did I need to hoot today? I've had to hoot so many times because people don't know how to drive. People always wanna drive on top of you in your lane. Unai lane yakho. Angazi nifuna ukuthi ngidize ngisuke mina kule lane engiyona lo singene kuyona wena ngindize ngihamba ngaphezulu kwakho because mina yami imoto inama superpowers. Yeah, this is what makes Mondays long. This is what makes being stuck in traffic and going to work a drag, because honestly you guys don't know how to drive. Honestly, you guys don't know how to ningena emgaqweni ningazi niyathithiza emgaqweni nina niyathithiza and umthithizo wenu can cause accidents. Please do better. Nina stref. Anyhow, let's go.
Yo, guys, things change so quickly. Ngiyafika sekumele ngidrive. Sengingenile. Like, hey. Nikran marashijes. Oh, I'm driving this again.
Why does it?
Hey, ke backseat. Manje kumele uhlale njengeplanga. Hleli njengeplanga manje. Bheka. Guys, abantu abahlala kanje ayikho safe lento le.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Hey Gigi, so we just arrived.
Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to our channel. We are currently at the SABC Radio Park. Nah? Radio Park, yeah. We're here for our interview with 5FM. We're going to be speaking all things our DSTV Content Creator Awards nomination for travel and lifestyle category. So yeah, and tomorrow we're on TV with the morning show on ETV, speaking the same thing, and our content creation, our marriage, just all things brand Mzwandile and Siza.
Right, it's the brand Mzwandile and Siza for me.
Let's go.
My gangster.
Are you ready, babes?
I'm ready. Looking forward to
How ready are you?
I'm very ready. shout out to also DSTV Content Creator Awards for nominating us. I think it's a big deal, honestly. And yeah, we truly appreciate it. You know, when you do something, not necessarily to be recognized, but you eventually get recognized, it is absolutely beautiful. So shout out to you, baby. Like in Mzwandile and Siza brand wouldn't have been possible without you. So yeah, Spangin in my gang. Ciao.
How are you? I'm good, thank you. Come through. On the show today whose content I enjoy so much. Mzwandile and Siza who are travel and content, or rather lifestyle content creators. They've been together for 12 years, married for 5, and they do absolutely amazing travel content, and it's so amazing to have them on the show tonight because they also have been nominated for a Content Creator Award. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having us.
You guys have been doing so well.
Thank you.
Busy.
I know.
That's a lot.
When did you guys decide that, you know what, we're going to turn what we do into actually creating content? Do you want to answer that?
It's been actually, I think, along our journey of actually being married, we just decided along the way that we just want to create content.
Yeah.
But primarily it was because we just wanted to create memories and all of that. So along the way, that's when it became content.
Yes.
But essentially, we just started off wanting to create memories and
documenting them.
Exactly, because it's like a digital photo album.
Yes.
We were talking about this off air.
Yes.
That, I mean, luckily we've got all these platforms to post our pictures and whatnot, and it becomes a photo album because we're not printing photos.
Exactly.
Oh my word. Do you guys print photos from your travels?
Don't worry, I'm not trying to catch you out, I promise. Let's start with coaster number 1. Siza, you've got coaster number 1. I'm looking for my drum roll. I'm looking for my drum roll because this is drum roll that I'm paying. Yes, my drum roll's paying. You can flip the coaster.
Okay.
Yes, what does it say?
University of Johannesburg.
That's where your love story began, right? Tell me about that. You know, some people go to varsity to get degrees, others walk away with a husband.
And the qualifications.
There we go. And the qualifications. Mzwandile, you did a master's in geology.
Yes.
So you're a geologist.
Yes, by profession I'm a
What do
geologist.
geologists do again?
We study rocks, we tell you where the gold is, where the diamonds are, and all the good stuff. But that's just one component of geology, but it's very diverse, and there's many things in geology. But I'm currently in like the mining and exploration industry. So
That sounds fascinating. And then you did marketing.
Yes.
So you guys meet there, and did you start dating from varsity?
Yes. So
Yeah.
we met at the end of first year. Swanley was stalking me.
No.
It has a different story. That base of being in like of someone, and you like the really cool person, and yeah, it's easy to spend the rest of your life with them.
because it's easy to pick up on things you don't like about somebody, and so if you are now going to ignore those,
Exactly.
which would be a red flag if we're thinking about it, right?
Yes.
If you don't like about someone, that's a red flag.
And you're ignoring it.
Exactly.
Why are you ignoring it?
Then you knew.
Exactly. And marriage is not going to make it better. It's going to amplify it. A lot of people think marriage takes away the problems. It amplifies them.
Ooh.
So
How did your relationship change after you got married? People like to ask me how my relationship has changed after I got married, and like I still struggle to answer the question a little bit. It does feel different. It really does. But for you guys, how did it change?
I think it didn't really change that much, except for the dynamics of the fact that we now live together and all those type of things. And that's where we started learning how to do things. You don't like when I put the cup here and all those type of things. So it was just like minor things.
Yeah.
But these are some of the things we also discussed before, that this is the type of person I am and all those. This is how I was brought up. So you speak about those things in the speaking phase or the talking phase and all those type of things. So a lot didn't change, and because we were planning for the marriage phase, we already sort of like established that foundation while it was quite early. So I think it's important. People think you should only speak about marriage stuff once you're married, but you should actually start speaking about it before you even get married.
That is so true.
And yeah, by the time you get married, it's just a matter of implementing a few things here and there, changing things here and there. But other than that, so
It's
not
like-
much change.
It's like what I believe about counseling. You know how they counsel couples before they get married?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I believe that couples should be counseled way before.
Yes.
While you're in that long-term relationship,
Yes.
not 3 months quickly before you get
I
married.
know.
Yes, kwap, and
When you're about to get married, they quickly rushed these therapy sessions into a couple of months. And you're like, oh, we should have done this a long time ago.
Sure.
Was it not cold?
It was.
It was.
It was.
But it was worth it. It was a good cold.
I guess I think the white Christmas was more for Zwandi because he's a winter baby, so he likes those type of conditions, and I'm a summer baby. I hate those conditions, so he had to really convince me, "Guti baby, let's go, baby, please, let's go." Right, and the one thing that did sell it for me were the reindeers.
Yes.
And the igloo. So we did stay in an igloo just to experience it fully. And we had a reindeer sleigh ride. Oh my gosh, it was magical.
That sounds like such a magical Christmas.
was.
And your families were okay with you spending Christmas without them?
No.
That was an issue. But
No,
we're like,
they were
hey,
not.
guys, we adults now. Like, no.
But we did video call them on Christmas and they saw the snow.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
And I guess it's also about creating your own traditions, right? That's what it's all about. And that's what family has to start accepting. That guys, we're not always going to be around.
Tell them, please
Tell me about some of your Asian trips and adventures that you've gone on.
5-second rule.
5-second rule. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna ask you some questions, and we'll swap around. So Siza, you're gonna go first, and then Mzwandile, you go next, right? And you have to answer these questions in 5 seconds.
Okay.
Right?
Cool.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. First one. Top 3 places you have traveled to, Siza?
Vietnam, Dubai, Sri Lanka.
You did it in 5 seconds. Next one. There were in between. But, I mean, you did it. So I get 3 places you still would love to travel to.
Iceland, Mexico, and Australia.
Oh, Mexico would be amazing, but it's so far. Yeah?
I know.
It is.
Have you ever checked the prices for Mexico?
Not yet.
Yes, we're still protecting ourselves.
Yeah, just be prepared.
Okay.
Be prepared. 3 things that are crazy that are on your bucket list, Siza, that you would love to do.
Crazy.
Anything. Doesn't have to be crazy.
3 things.
Okay, I'm starting your counter now. 5,
No.
4, 3, 2, 1. Mzwandile, you as the husband are taking this one. Anything on your bucket list?
Me, I wanna go see a live volcano.
Okay.
I wanna do some shock diving and probably skydive because I've never
all
done.
those things with him.
She has to.
Things you do when you're feeling uninspired and you just need to get some inspiration back. Siza, that's yours. 5 seconds.
I spend time with family, read my Bible, listen to music.
And listen to music. On that note, Mzwandile, 3 artists that you are currently listening to.
3 artists, Lala Tugzin, Drake,
Nice.
Kabza the Small.
And your 5 seconds is up. That wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad at all. That wasn't too bad. Well, we're going to play a game up next. And you need to flip the coaster, Mzwandile. So you'll flip the next coaster.
All right.
It's very similar to what we just did now.
Okay. The coaster says this or that.
This or that. So, because you guys travel so much, right? I want to hear some of your preferences. So, for example, Siza, are you a bush or a beach kind of girl?
Definitely a beach kind of girl.
Oh yeah, Mzwandile, you?
Both, but let me say bush.
Okay.
Yeah, because
you love the mountains,
yes,
animals,
and all the. Because I also like nature photography. I do that part time.
Oh, okay.
So like definitely the bush.
Nice.
It's easy, but actually I'm also a heavy packer. Like I always pack for just in case.
Yeah.
And like I'm always like I'm.
I think also with him, you end up becoming a heavy packer because of our equipment.
Yeah.
So our camera equipment, the tripods, laptop, because he ends up putting that in his luggage as well.
Oh, yes.
It ends up becoming heavy.
He's responsible for that. Okay, got it. But it seems like you guys have it on lockdown in terms of like what you like.
Yeah.
And it sounds like you like similar things and the fact that you also compromise, you know, and you do the stuff that your partner also wants to do. What is a place that you both want to go to together next? Because you've mentioned the places that you'd love to go to, but together, where do you think you'll be traveling to next? Mzwandile, biggest lesson when it comes to money?
Give all of it to your wife.
Biggest lesson when it comes to all your traveling adventures?
Have fun. Have fun. If the creating the content is starting to be a bit too much, put the camera down.
Okay.
Enjoy the experience and have fun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mama. I can't believe it already. It's over already.
It went by so quickly. I want to take a photo. Did your camera person take a photo of you two in front of the 5
Yes,
Maybe
yes.
you could send me that photo.
Yes,
Okay.
we will.
Okay.
We will. Where do we send it?
You can take my number.
Okay.
So we just finished our stunning interview.
Beautiful.
I really enjoyed that. The time flew by really quickly.
It did.
Like in J.
So 2 hours on TV tomorrow won't
feel
like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Let's hope.
But the TV is different.
Yeah.
TV and radio is different.
Exactly.
Also, we've been taking like in between songs and all of that.
TV doesn't. But TV has commercials.
It does, but they might not be as long as these ones. Here, there was a time where we played 2 songs or 3 songs because the conversation offline, off air, was flowing so much. We were like, let's put in another song. So it's different. Whereas on air, so. But yeah, it was absolutely stunning. Shout out to 5FM. Shout out to Karabo. It was a stunning interview. Here at home now. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow morning. Very early tomorrow morning. And Sanbona my gang.
Bye.
Good morning, GGs. We've arrived at day 2 of being stars. Day 2 of being stars. We are currently in Houghton. We're gonna be on the morning show on ETV. We just arrived, and we're gonna be doing the things. Looking forward to it. It's been a while since we've been on TV. So, how are you feeling, babe?
Alright, boss. Alright, hey Gigi's morning. I'm alright, boss. My boss.
Sunman, John. Good on you. Yes, we are.
awake last night.
Do you understand?
Early mornings
Do you
today.
understand?
But you know what? It's all in the name of fun.
Yeah, it's true.
How are you, man? I'm also here for matching browns. Last night we were matching hoodies. I love it. Hi, I'm Leroy. Junior, nice to meet you. Thanks for coming through.
Thanks for having us.
You were like the first persons, because obviously you're doing now it's the PR rollout for Content Creator Awards. And I was like, I need to get my friends, they're coming through. It's my show, it's my segment, they're coming through. And I was like, that's why I was like pushing you. Like, can you come in, let me know. Because otherwise I'm going to have to fill it with someone else. I didn't want to. Welcome back to the morning show, everybody, right here on ETV. Now, if there's one thing that's cooking on this What's Cooking Wednesday here on the morning show, it's the careers of my next two guests. Now, being a successful content creator is a lot of patience, a lot of hard work, and building a loyal following that doesn't happen overnight, guys. Siza and Mzwandile and Glovu both specialize in an industry I personally love, and I think a lot of people do, that being travel. Please welcome Content Creator Awards nominees, Siza and Mzwandile, to the morning show. Guys, just saying that must feel like such an achievement, right? Content Creator Awards nominees. Hey, what is your life?
Yeah, but it's special.
I know, and I mean, you know, I was there at the nominee announcement. I was rooting for you guys all the way along, and then I hear, you know, you guys made the category of nominees. Like, congratulations. I mean, when you found out, was it like a big moment for you?
It was. It was. Also, we found out at work, so we couldn't come to the event where they were announcing. We were at work. So when I saw this, I was like, what? Because people kept tagging us. What's this? I was like, So yeah, it was special.
Look, it's been a journey and a half, and I mean, I think just to establish for everyone watching, you guys are a married couple. You have a beautiful story of how you met. Let's go to see new places, find new things to do. Like, how do you come up with your next travel destination?
We just drew it from our head. Initially we drew from our head, but sometimes we'd surprise each other.
Yeah.
But I think sometimes it's just about where we actually want to see, where we want to go. Sometimes we see things on social media, like we want to try that, want to have the biggest croissant in the world, so let's go there. So it's a numerous things play a role in how we find our next trip and how spontaneous we become.
So, as travel content creators, you guys know a way, one around a camera, but how to navigate a new space and show it off in all its glory. We at the morning show, we have a studio, as you can see around us. I want you to create a video for me that we're going to play out when we come back, as if you've just stumbled upon our studios to show off how great it is to all our viewers. Do you accept? I mean, we're on live TV. Dare you say no? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, ponder, think about the thing. When we come back, we're going to see this video, and I cannot wait. The challenge is on, guys. Like, it is a done deal. When Siza and Mzwandile come back, we're going to see what they create. So stick around. It's going to be amazing because the pressure is on. We'll see you guys after the break.
Hey Gigi, so Leroy just challenged us to do a studio tour in the short period of time that we have before we go back onto set. Turns out it's actually more challenging than we thought it would be. Initially when it was like, we have a challenge where we were like, nah, it's chill, do a quick room tour. But it's quite challenging. Also, they wanted to be a very short clip. And the editing is killing me, but we're working around it. We're gonna put it back on set in just a few. But yeah, no problem. But yeah, we're gonna be going back just now. Joe. We're gonna airdrop our video.
So I know you're busy.
How are you? Good, thank you.
You saving it.
Yes, that continues to consider when it comes.
Welcome back to the morning show. Now we are still hanging out with our travel content creators and Content Creator Awards nominees, Siza and Mzwandile. Now early this morning, I tasked them with a challenge to take their cameras and wander around our The Morning Show studios and create a video as if they just stumbled upon this beautiful location one day amongst their travels, and it's time to see what they've put together. Before I play this video, what was the thinking behind creating this piece of content?
I think essentially when we travel and we always want to show people where we are, we always want to give you a feel of where we are in case you also want to travel to that particular place. So we do a lot of room tours with our travel content. So with this video, we wanted to show you guys around the studio.
I think you guys play so perfectly off each other, and Mzwa, I think that she also gives you a lot of pressure because one, you need to make her look good with the cameras.
It's a lot. It doesn't take a lot because she looks this good.
Exactly.
It's a lot to actually make her look good.
And then people forget that, like, one, when you travel, you have to pack, you have to plan, prioritize certain outfits, especially for girls. Wigs, weaves you have to take with you. Like, is it a lot of work prior to a trip?
It does take a lot of work. Also, especially for me, it's not as easy as other girls because I'm plus size. So I need to properly pre-plan. What am I going to wear day one, day two, day three, to make sure I look good and I look like where I am. Am I on an island? Am I wearing something crocheted? Am I wearing somewhere? Am I wearing two pieces? What am I wearing? You know. Also, I like looking good. I always look good. That's what I want.
There it is.
So it takes a lot of planning. I just don't wake up and say, let's go. I need the time to look good.
What will this award, winning this Travel and Lifestyle Award, the Content Creator Awards, mean for you guys? Is it a stamp of approval?
It is. I think it is. It's like a nice pat on the back. Like, oh, you see, you're doing well. Especially because, you know, when you're not expecting to be awarded or praised for something that you love doing. You know, it's not like it's, this takes so much away from it. Doesn't. Because we love doing this, it would be nice to actually win the award. But also the nomination means a lot.
Yes, huge.
So that alone, you're doing well there.
Well, congratulations, and one, thanks for coming to visit us. Come to share your story with us, and thanks for accepting the challenge. I was a bit nervous, but I was like, I'm putting it out to them. So congratulations and all the best, and enjoy the upcoming trips, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was great. I think they loved the difference. Two days, and I'll send it to you. You can intercut, use the footage, or post it. Please do tag us. I get a picture. Yes, absolutely.
Hey GG, so we just finished with our interview.
We hope you watched.
We hope you watched.
We didn't tell you though on YouTube. Sorry,
on YouTube. Yeah.
Follow us on Instagram. You always know what's up.
What's
up,
cooking
that's
oil. But yeah, guys, we just finished our interview. Had an absolute stunner or stellar time. Shout out to Leroy. Shout out to the morning show. And yeah, it was a good time. It was good vibe. And yeah, let's continue with our long days. On one,
Yo, what's happening, Sunshines? New day. We are currently at Emirates Airline Park. We're here to watch the Springboks. Emirates said, come through. Let's spend the Saturday together. So yeah, so we are here to watch. We are leaving tomorrow. Hello. Sorry guys, so yeah, we're currently at Emirates Airline Park to spend Saturday with Emirates. And watch the Springboks. Yeah, we are parked here, and we are parked with another MUX. We don't know whose MUX this is, but this one's ours. Zandi's here. And oh yeah, I was still explaining to you guys because we were traveling tomorrow. We're traveling with Emirates tomorrow. Well, we're traveling on the Emirates flight, But yeah, we're going on our own holiday, and as you can see, my braids and lashes are done. So yes. How are you feeling?
Feeling good.
Excited?
I'm excited.
I want you to take off your jacket so you can show the GGs your fit. It's so cool.